Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventure 365, and we're all about the four-wheel drives on this channel. And behind these doors here there's a new four-wheel drive on the farm. Let's have a look at it. So I told you, I had a new four-wheel drive, and Jim's going to tell me exactly what. I know nothing about quads, and Jim's going to tell me first, what is it?
Right, it's a CF Moto CForce 625 Touring, so it's the model with 2 seats.
So it's the posh one. I'll show you, I'll give you a close-up of it all once we've had a quick discussion of what it is. So it's four-wheel drive, twin seats. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it quick? That's what everyone wants to know.
It's not that quick because it's speed restricted at the minute to 40 miles an hour.
I guarantee that's going away.
Yeah, you can't get a remap on them.
But it's cool. I love it. I love the finish. And like I said, I'll give you a close-up in a minute.
Realtree camo.
Realtree camo. Gun rack on the front. Later. No, this is cool.
Got it a bit muddy already.
Well, you got. Well, what's a four-wheel drive if it isn't muddy? Now, this has got all the toys, guys. Let me get the camera and I'll show you all the toys on it. So Jim was just saying that this is what? Say that again, Jim.
It's 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, with a front diff lock as well. The back wheels are always locked together.
Like I say, it looks amazing. This is something I've actually always wanted, guys. I've always wanted a quad, but could never get Karen to part with the money. Look at that. I shall get you the really sexy shots in a minute, guys. There you go. Look at this. So, what do you think? This is an absolute beast, I tell you. It is so cool. Even right down to the LCD display on the front. Now I'm going to ask if I can have a go.
Yeah, you can have a go, but you'll have to put a helmet and gloves on.
I can live with that. I can live with helmet and gloves. Now, there you go, guys. A quick overview of a new four-wheel drive. Right, he says I can have a go, so I'm going to have a go. You never turn up an opportunity on something like this. And I can even remember how to do the buckle on a helmet.
I've managed to lose one of my gloves.
So what, 2 there?
3 there. We'll take it down the field, with no use doing it here, are we?
Right, we're off. Yeah. Give us your mic and I'll turn you off. just going to give you a look how steep this bank is. This machine is incredible, guys. Wow, that's all I can say. This thing is unreal, and Jim's just scared the life out of me going down that bank, I tell you. I think it's awesome, mate.
Yeah, they're good.
They're absolutely fantastic machine. And
you
now,
need one.
I do. I'm going to have to buy one now. So, yeah, it's Jim's fault, Karen. We're going to have one of these now.
We're going laning.
We're going laning on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Something a bit different for the channel, and I will see you on the next one.